Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt frustrated because your computer is running slow, freezing at the worst times, or just not giving you the smooth performance you expect, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some powerful yet simple steps you can take to make your computer faster and smoother. And here's the exciting part. You won't need to spend a single dollar on new hardware. That's right, no expensive upgrades, no complicated tools, just easy adjustments that anyone can do. By the end of this tutorial, your PC will run more efficiently, boot faster, and even feel like new. So stay tuned. Step 1. Let's clean junk files. These are temporary files that slow down your computer. Press Windows plus R, hit Enter, then select all and delete them all. Step 2. Let's do the disk cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a free, built-in tool in Windows designed to help you clear out junk files from your computer. Over time, your PC collects temporary files, old system updates, cached data, error logs, and even files sitting in your recycle bin. These don't seem like much at first, but after weeks or months, they can take up gigabytes of valuable storage and even slow down your system's performance. Click on the Start menu, and in the search bar type Disk Cleanup. You'll see the Disk Cleanup app appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. Wait for a few minutes for the system to analyze the files. When you see the disk management pops up, select all and click Delete. Wait for the process to complete, and you are done. Step 3. Let's disable startup programs. When you turn on your computer, you might notice it takes a while to fully load. One big reason for slow boot times is that many applications automatically start running in the background as soon as Windows launches. These apps compete for system resources like memory and CPU power, which can slow down not only the startup process, but also overall performance right after logging in. To take control of this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will open the Task Manager. If it opens in a simple view, click on More Details at the bottom to expand it. Now go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of all the programs that try to launch when your PC starts. You'll also notice a column called Startup Impact. This shows you how much each program affects your boot time. Some may have a high impact, others medium or low. At this stage, look through the list carefully. Identify the programs you don't need to run immediately when your computer starts. For example, apps like Spotify, Zoom, or game launchers are not essential at startup. You can always open them later when you actually need them. To disable one, simply right-click on it and choose Disable. Don't worry, this doesn't uninstall the program. It just prevents it from starting automatically in the background every time you boot up. Essential programs like your antivirus or Windows services should usually be left enabled, so only disable apps you recognize and know are safe to turn off. By trimming down the number of startup programs, your computer won't be overloaded the moment it turns on. The fewer apps that launch automatically, the faster your PC will boot and the smoother it will run right after startup. Step 4. Let's remove bloatware. Now, what exactly is bloatware? These are programs or applications that come pre-installed on your computer, or software you downloaded in the past but no longer use. They sit quietly in the background, taking up storage space, and sometimes even running processes that slow down your system. To start, open your control panel. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key, typing Control Panel, and selecting it from the results. Once it opens, go to Programs, and then click on Uninstall a program. Here, you'll see a list of all the software installed on your PC. Take a moment to scroll through the list. Some of these programs are essential, like drivers or Microsoft apps, but many others may be unnecessary. If you spot applications you don't use, such as trial versions of software, manufacturer utilities, or toolbars, you can safely uninstall them. To remove one, simply click on it, then hit the Uninstall button at the top. Follow the prompts and Windows will handle the rest. Be mindful though, don't uninstall anything you're unsure about. If you don't recognize a program, it's best to quickly search its name online to make sure it's not important for your system. By carefully cleaning out unused software, you'll free up valuable storage space, reduce background activity, and make your PC run smoother and faster overall.
For more tech tips, tutorials, and the latest tech news and updates, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.